Are you looking for the best 3D printing filament? Single-color 3D prints are so passé. Colorize your prints with Rainbow PLA and PTG, and read on to learn about the best brands. In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printing filament on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Rainbow Filament Hyper PLA High-Speed 3D Printer Filament. Strong Hero 3D is a well-known brand in the field of 3D printing filaments and accessories. One of their rainbow filaments is made in silk PLA with a shiny touch that will really level up your prints. The colors are bright and vivid, with the hues reminiscent of candy. A number of customers have praised the filament for its ease of printing and the appearance of the finished prints. Not everyone had such an easy go of it, though, and some tweaking may be needed to obtain the best results. 10x faster printing Hyper PLA, speed up your creativity. Hyper Series PLA supports up to 600 mm per second print speed for the high fluidity and fast cooling formula. PLA filament's high fluidity provides sufficient melting and extrusion, while Creality Hyper PLA's rapid cooling provides fast shaping for high-speed printing. Number 2. SUNLU 250G PLA Filament. SUNLU PLA 3D Printer Filament Bundle 2 kg in total, 8 spools of 250G SUNLU 1.75 mm PLA filament. Multiple color choices, 8 colors, black plus white plus gray plus transparent plus red plus blue plus orange plus green. Multiple colors satisfy your rich 3D printing creativity. PLA filament recommends settings. SUNLU Premium PLA filament offer the advantage of incredible ease of 3D printing. SUNLU PLA filament 1.75 mm, optimized print quality, high purity with low shrinkage and superb interlayer adhesion. Recommended SUNLU PLA filament print nozzle temperature 200-210 degrees Celsius, hotbed temp 50 to 65 degrees Celsius, print speed 50-100 mm/s. Neatly wound filament. SUNLU has a professional production line with strict control of neatly lined up lines to avoid knots during printing, completely mechanical wire winding and strict manual checks to ensure neat lines with few kinks, avoiding possible breaks. High precision plus or minus 0.02 mm tolerance. PLA filament 1.75 mm PLA 3D filament, tolerance level, plus or minus 0.02 mm, 0.25 kg 3D printer filament real, perfect roundness, and very tight diameter tolerance, approximately 68 mm of PLA filament on each spool. Ease of use, minimal warping, no clogging, no bubbles. Increase your 3D printing objects' delicacy. SUNLU 250G spool diameter 140 mm, 5.51 inches, spool width 36 mm, 1.42 inches, spool hub hole diameter 53 mm, 2.09 inches. High compatibility and vacuum pack. PLA filament compatible with 99% FDM 3D printers, with heated beds, and 3D pen. Vacuum packed neatly arranged SUNLU PLA filament provide better printing result. Environmental protection. 250G PLA filament is made from starch raw materials derived from renewable plant resources. Number 3. ERYONE Silk Dual Color PLA Filament. ERYONE Silk Co-Extruded PLA 1/2 of each combination of Magic PLA co-extruded filaments. You can change the visible color by rotating the color blending filament to different orientations. Multicolor silk filaments can output with incredible pearlescent and gorgeous silk surface. High compatibility. 1.75 mm filament diameter. Automation control, accuracy plus or minus 0.03 mm, perfectly compatible with 99% of the FDM 3D printer in 3D pen. No warping. Multicolor filament. Perfect winded silk blended color PLA filament, tangle-free before unopened. No stringing and warping. Universal compatibility with most FDM 3D printers and 3D pens. Strong layer adhesion. This silk PLA filament has perfect first layer adhesion to reduce warpage, shrinkage, curl and print failure. 1.75 mm silk 3D printer PLA filament is no bubble. Strong layer adhesion make the printing parts stronger. Exquisite packaging. Neatly lined up, reusable vacuum sealed packaging with built-in desiccant, so you have no worries before and after use. Number 4. YOUSU Silk Dual Color PLA Filament. For small 250G spools of quantum PLA filament, YOUSU dichromatic PLA filament, 2 color in the same filament. Perfect filament winding that compatible with the most FDM 3D printers. Shiny PLA filament, without polishing, you can get pearlescent and gorgeous printing surface. Unique based recipe assures less stringing and better overhang performance. No warping and good layer bonding, excellent first layer adhesion to reduce warpage, shrinkage, curl and print failure. Good layer bonding strength make the printing parts stronger. Purity material and precision diameter, 4x250G 3D printer filament reel, perfect roundness and 0.03 mm diameter tolerance, good winding, avoid print failure jam or clog and making you a smoothly printing and better surface. Vacuum sealed package, YOUSU PLA filament comes in a sealed vacuum bag with a desiccant bag, keep your 3D printer filament in a good condition to be printed. Number 5. FLASHFORGE PLA Filament. Adored Chameleon Filament Series, a color-changing material responsive to different light and angles. This filament is composed of special pigments that can perfectly conceal layer lines, allowing you to create stunning visual effects in your 3D printed creations. This series includes 5 colors: burnt titanium, nebula purple, skydiver blue, rose quartz, and obsidian. Ease of use and versatility, PLA is renowned for its user-friendliness, low printing temperature, and strong adhesion to common print surfaces. FLASHFORGE PLA filament uses high-quality raw materials, ensuring perfect prints even with default settings. It also offers a variety of color options, including the beloved Chameleon Series PLA. Low warping and minimal odor, FLASHFORGE PLA has a low shrinkage rate and minimal warping, allowing for exceptionally smooth surfaces. This makes it well-suited for indoor use and ideal for creating intricate and detailed prints, making it a perfect choice for artistic and decorative items. Additionally, it emits very little odor during the printing process. Clog-free, bubble-free, the filament is designed to be clog-free and bubble-free, ensuring a smooth and stable printing experience. It is dried for 24 hours, vacuum-sealed, and undergoes quality checks before leaving the factory. Precision and consistency, advanced CCD diameter measurement and adaptive control systems ensure that 99% of the filament has a diameter of 1.75 mm with a tolerance of plus or minus 0.02 mm. Each spool contains 1 kg, 2.2 pounds of filament.